15 minutes a day could help you move more easily, reduce stiffness, and feel more flexible after 50. Most people think aging means losing mobility forever, but the real problem is daily inactivity. Today, you'll fix it with one simple 15-minute routine. Chapter 1. Why mobility declines. After 50. Mobility does not suddenly disappear after 50. It slowly fades because the body is used less in natural movement patterns. Prolonged sitting, reduced walking, stress, and inactivity all contribute to stiffness in the joints and muscles. The hips begin to tighten, the spine loses flexibility, and the shoulders start rounding forward. Even simple daily movements like bending, reaching, or climbing stairs begin to feel heavier and slower. But this is not permanent. It's simply reduced movement capacity. The human body is designed to move every day. When movement decreases, stiffness increases. When movement returns, even gently, flexibility begins to improve again. This routine is designed to reverse that stiffness using only 15 minutes a day. No intense workouts, no pressure, just simple and controlled movement that gradually restores comfort and mobility. Chapter 2. Minute 1 to 3. Full body reset with breathing. The first step is not stretching the muscles. It relaxes the body, so movement becomes easier. Most stiffness after 50 starts from tension in the nervous system, not just the muscles. Start by standing or sitting tall in a comfortable position. Let your shoulders drop naturally and keep your jaw relaxed. Begin with slow breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat this 5 times. With every exhale, allow the body to soften slightly. Now begin shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders slowly backward 10 times, then forward 10 times. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. Next, gently turn your head from left to right without forcing any stretch. Move only within a comfortable range. Then slowly raise both arms overhead and bring them down with control 5 times. This simple sequence helps release upper body tension, improve circulation, and prepare the body for deeper mobility work. Chapter 3. Minute 4 to 6. Restore spine mobility. The spine is designed to move every day, but sitting for years slowly limits that movement. A stiff spine affects posture, walking, balance, and even breathing. Start with the cat-cow stretch. Get hands and knees if comfortable. Step 1. Slowly round your back upward while lowering your head. Step 2. Gently arch your back while lifting your chest. Move slowly for 10 repetitions. If getting on the floor feels difficult, do a seated version in a chair. Next, perform seated spinal twists. Sit tall. Place one hand on your opposite knee and rotate gently. Hold for 5 seconds on each side, then finish with slow side bends. Reach one arm overhead and lean gently to the opposite side. These movements improve flexibility through the entire back and help restore natural movement patterns. Many people notice reduced stiffness within just a few days because the spine begins moving again rather than staying locked in one position all day. Chapter 4. Minute 7 to 9. Unlock hip mobility. The hips play one of the most important roles in movement after 50. When the hips become tight, everything else feels harder, including walking, standing, and even lower back comfort. Start with a hip flexor stretch. Step 1. Place one foot forward in a split stance. Step 2. Keep the back leg extended. Step 3. Gently bend the front knee while keeping the body upright. Hold this position for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Next, perform the seated figure 4 stretch. Sit in a chair. Place one ankle over the opposite knee. Slowly lean forward until you feel a gentle stretch in the hip area. Hold for 20 seconds on each side, then finish with slow hip shifts. Stand comfortably and gently shift your hips from left to right. These movements improve hip mobility, reduce pressure on the lower back, and make everyday movements like walking and climbing stairs feel easier and smoother. Chapter 5. Minute 10 to 12. Legs, hamstrings, and calves. The lower body carries the entire weight of movement, so flexibility here is essential for stability and comfort. Start with a seated hamstring stretch. Sit upright on a chair. Extend one leg forward. Keep your back straight and lean slightly toward the leg. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Next, move into a calf stretch against a wall. Place both hands on the wall. Step one foot back while keeping the heel flat on the ground. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Then perform slow heel raises. Stand tall. Lift your heels slowly off the ground. Pause briefly at the top, then lower them back down with control. Repeat this movement 10 times. These exercises improve circulation, reduce tightness in the legs, and help make walking feel lighter and more natural over time. Chapter 6, Minute 13 to 15, Ankles, Balance, and Final Reset. Ankle mobility and balance are often overlooked, but they are essential for stability after 50. Weak ankles can affect walking confidence and increase stiffness in the entire lower body. Start with ankle circles. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and slowly rotate the ankle 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise. Switch sides and repeat. Next, practice balance. Stand near a wall or chair for support if needed. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and hold for 10 seconds. Switch sides and repeat 3 times. Focus on staying steady and controlled. Then perform slow marching in place. Lift each knee gently while maintaining balance and rhythm. Keep movement smooth and controlled. Finally, stand tall and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale fully, and allow the shoulders to relax completely. This final phase improves coordination, stability, and confidence in daily movement. It helps the body feel grounded, balanced, and more capable of everyday activities like walking and turning. Mobility is not lost with age. It is lost through inactivity. Do this 15-minute routine daily and stay consistent. Your body will respond slowly, then strongly. Because after 50, movement is not exercise. It is independence, confidence, and freedom.